Stop! You're making a huge mistake with Grok 3. Even AI experts are missing this. Today, I'll show you 3 hidden features that XAI never talks about, but they'll change how you use Grok forever. And the last one, it actually lets you peek inside Grok's brain, but almost no one is using it right. Let's dive in. Feature number 1 is an AI mood detector for X or Twitter. Grok 3 can scan posts on X in real time and figure out the overall mood, whether people are hyped, angry, or totally divided on a topic. This is game-changing for anyone who wants to track trends before they blow up. Content creators, marketers, even investors. Imagine knowing what's going viral before it actually does. Most people don't realize this feature exists. It's just buried inside Grok's X connection. Imagine you're about to make a tweet or a YouTube video about the iPhone 16. Instead of guessing, you ask Grok, "What's X saying about the iPhone 16 right now?" Grok replies, 50% are talking about the iPhone 16e stealing the spotlight, 30% love the new colors and A18 chip, and 20% are upset about the 60Hz screen, based on posts from the last hour. So basically, the iPhone 16 is like the middle child, loved but slightly ignored because its younger sibling just walked in. But what if you need AI to do more than just read trends? What if you have a messy document, a confusing chart, or even a blurry screenshot, and need AI to actually see what's inside? That's where feature number 2 comes in. It turns Grok 3 into a file-crunching genius. Unlike most AIs, Grok can analyze images, PDFs, and even messy charts, and explain them. Whether you need a research paper summarized, a blurry chart decoded, or a meme explained, Grok's got you covered. XAI doesn't make a big deal about how deep this feature actually goes. Most people discover it by accident. Imagine uploading a blurry meme. You ask Grok, "What does this say?" And it deciphers the text instantly. Then you ask it to make a funnier version, and boom, it creates a meme that might just go viral. But what if Grok could do more than just analyze? What if it could actually show you how it thinks, step by step? That's where feature number 3 comes in. It lets you peek inside Grok's brain. Kind of. When you use Think Mode, Grok actually reveals part of its thought process when solving problems, but hides certain tricky steps. You won't notice this unless you pay attention. XAI doesn't advertise it, but if you watch Grok closely, you'll see it breaking down complex problems step by step. Let's say you ask Grok, if a train is traveling at 80 miles per hour and another train leaves 30 minutes later at 100 miles per hour, when will the second train catch up? Grok might respond, the first train has a 40-mile head start. The second train is closing the gap at 20 miles per hour. So in 2 hours, it will catch up. Now, here's the interesting part. Grok didn't just spit out the answer, it actually worked through the steps. That's AI actually thinking, step by step. So there you have it, 3 secret features of Grok 3 that most people are completely missing out on. Which one blew your mind? Drop your favorite in the comments. I need to know if I'm the only one geeking out, but if you thought these were impressive, wait until you see what's next. There are AI tools that can save you hours daily, and gadgets that predict what you want before you do. Sounds crazy, right? I just made a video about them. Click here before you miss out, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't have to rely on Grok to remind you.